Unlocking hidden real estate goldmines starts with knowing where to look. And today, we're diving deep into how Propstream empowers you to find those diamond in the rough, distressed properties. First, log into your Propstream account. Your expedition into the distressed asset market begins here. We'll navigate Propstream's powerful filters to pinpoint properties ripe for investment. Click on the Search tab. This is where the magic happens. We're going to start by selecting a specific geographic area. You can either draw a custom area on the map or choose existing counties and zip codes. Now, let's focus on identifying distressed situations. Navigate to the property status filters for our purposes today. Make sure to select vacant, pre-foreclosure, and auctioned. These are strong indicators of potential distress. Next, under ownership information, select absentee owner. Properties owned by individuals not living in them are often prime candidates for distressed sales. To ensure a good potential return and room for a rehab project, let's refine by equity. Click on Equity and set a minimum equity percentage. Say 50% or higher. This tells us the homeowner has a significant stake in the property. Once applied, Propstream will generate a list of properties fitting your criteria. You'll see crucial data points like estimated value, equity, owner's contact information, and mortgage details right here on the results page. For each property that catches your eye, click to view its detailed report. This is where you'll find comprehensive information, including property characteristics, tax history, sale history, and even potential liens, giving you the full picture for informed decision-making. You can also switch to the map view to visualize your findings geographically, allowing for efficient route planning for potential property visits and further market analysis. Finally, don't forget to save your searches or export your findings. This allows you to revisit your leads and build a targeted investment strategy for acquiring these valuable distressed assets.